Hello, I'm Jerry Ross, author, life coach, and certified health educator. And today I'm partnering with Livity Rising to offer you a fun and powerful guided visualization to discover your spirit animal. In indigenous cultures, we learn that everyone has a spirit animal that's been guiding and protecting you in spirit realm for your whole life. I hope you enjoy this guided visualization. It's very relaxing and very rejuvenating. So to begin, it's important that you have a quiet space that you can be in for approximately 10 minutes. And what we're going to do is you'll be listening to some drumming and rattling, and that rhythmical sound will help to bring your brain waves down into what's called theta. And theta is a trance-like state that helps you relax and let go. In this journey, you're going to be actually experiencing it, not seeing yourself on a screen like in a movie. You're going to use all of your senses, your sight, your hearing, your smell, to be able to be experiencing this directly. And so it's important that you're able to also create a space where there's less light. In other words, if you can cover your eyes with a bandana or scarf or some type of eye mask, it's very helpful. And even if you could lay down, that would be ideal. It may not be possible in this moment right now, but perhaps if you decide you want to listen to this video again, but ideally it's best if you can lay down and really have a very relaxed, comfortable position, covering your eyes, and then also even if you have a blanket or shawl that you can cover yourself, that would also work really well, and that it gives you this sense of protection and being comfortable. You'll be listening to my voice guiding you, and the idea is that all you have to do is just set the intention that you want to meet and discover your spirit animal, which your spirit animal is going to help you be able to connect more to your own soul, your own spirit, and live more from your heart and your intuition. So if you're ready, let's get started. Take a nice, deep, relaxing breath. And if you're sitting up, just close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of the drumming and rattling, allowing all thoughts to let go, to disappear, to dissolve, and be present in this moment, allowing yourself to let go, to surrender, and be excited about the prospect of connecting with your spirit ally, your animal friend. Take another deep, relaxing breath, and just feel your body completely let go and relax. You find yourself on a path in nature. Perhaps it's somewhere where you've been before. You feel comfortable there. You feel alive and welcome. You feel your feet touching the earth as you walk along. What do you hear? What do you see? What do you feel? What clothes are you wearing? Allow yourself to be walking very calmly and peacefully on this path. It's a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue. You feel as if the natural environment is embracing you and inviting you to be here right now. sense of joy. You feel a sense of adventure, just like when you were a child. You wonder, how will I meet my spirit animal? And you're open. You're open and curious with that childlike energy. As you're walking along, you notice that there's an opening to a cave, perhaps there on the hillside, or in a tree trunk. You become very curious and you want to explore the cave. So you walk up to the opening and you go inside. You notice that it feels damp and cool inside the cave. You're not scared. You're just curious and want to explore. And as you're going through the cave, you notice that there's a light. There's an opening. And you become interested in wanting to know more. What's on the other side? You move towards the light. And as you get to the light and this opening, you step through and find yourself in this magical, beautiful realm of nature. You can feel the vibrancy of the plants, the stones, and any water that you might see. And you know this is where your spirit animal lives. You call out, "Spirit animal, come to me. I am here now. I am here to meet you." Allow yourself to be free and wild in this magical place, seeking and being open to finding and discovering your spirit animal. And let's just see what happens next. time to come back now. Retrace your steps the same way that you went out into this magical land. Thank any spirit, any nature spirits that help to guide you or give you messages. And thank your spirit animal if you discovered your spirit animal. And if not, it's okay. You can return here anytime. Start to come back now towards the cave, making your way back to the opening of the cave. Entering back into the cave, feeling the dampness, the moist air surround you. Back through the cave. And then making your way back onto the path where you once began. Noticing how light you feel, how refreshed, how relaxed. Walking along the path, being grateful for this moment of your life. Coming back into your body and the room where you are. Take a nice deep breath. You can wiggle your fingers a little bit and your toes, coming all the way back. And if you have a scarf around your eyes or an eye mask on, you can take it off. Take a nice deep breath. How was that? Know that if you didn't discover your spirit animal, you can come back and use this video over and over again. And if you did, you can go on Google and you can type in shamanic meaning of whatever spirit animal that you discovered. And you'll learn about special attributes, characteristics, and wisdom that this animal is given to you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this journey, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.